Well, I believe today's 57, and they're finally totaling out my truck. Look at this gorgeous beauty. Man. I am going to miss this truck. There are so many things you can't get on these trucks anymore that this one has, and there's just nothing I can do about it. They're taking her. I mean, the Baja tan interior. Man. Kept that truck mint. Ugh. Driving this thing for the time being. The old Rebel. It does say Rebel there. Also says Rebel there. It says Rebel right there. Rebel. So that's what I've been going through. We're almost to the finish line. Almost.